Okay. So today we are in fifth session. So gradually we are learning .NET Core. Along with we are developing ShaunERP application, right? So now what we progressed yesterday is we have configured the SSL certificate for ShaunERP.com. You guys know what is SSL, right? Does anyone knows? Please explain what is SSL. Any volunteers? What is SSL?
Sir, hello.
Tell me.
Sir, SSL means secure socket layer. It is used to encrypt the data.
Yes. So why we need to encrypt? How it is working?
Because unauthorized user can't access our data, so that's why we have to encrypt that.
Yeah.
for
So
for
in our
security
website,
purpose, sir.
yeah. So in our website, we are sending some information through forms or any data, whatever we are sending is going to server, right? Web server. So when we transmitting this, someone can easily catch our data, steal our data. So we are sending some personal information. We are sending some bank account details. We are sending some very precious data. So any information we are sending, maybe some personal, private photographs, whatever. So when we are communicating to a website, the SSL will encrypt and send and it will decrypt. And the server which we are sending is a trusted server or not. That we need to know. Okay, so someone can open a website and they can get information. So the SSL certificate, professional SSL certificate, is the authorized certificate for a company. So the server is verified. For that reason, every website nowadays using SSL certificate. Otherwise, the browser will tell you that this is not a secured site. Okay. So when you convert your site is SSL certificate, it will work in HTTPS. It will work in HTTPS model. So normally the web server send data to port 80. Normally the web server send the data to port 80 for normal HTTP. But if you send encrypt data to HTTPS, your web server will run 443, port number 443. In general, normally a website is having one domain name, right? So normal one domain name, we can purchase standard SSL. But in our case, we are using multiple subdomains, right? API.ShaunERP.com, admin.ShaunERP.com, CRM.ShaunERP.com, projects.ShaunERP.com. Likewise, we are planning to use multiple subdomains. So the each subdomain should have SSL certificate. For that, there is one name, one model is called wildcard SSL certificate. So if your website is having multiple subdomains, you need to install wildcard SSL certificate. So if you install wildcard SSL certificate only, all your subdomains will secured. So the normal wildcard certificate is little cheaper. The SSL, the wildcard SSL certificate is costlier. You are getting right? So now we configured the wildcard SSL certificate. I'm just sharing my screen. I'm taking the server remote. So this is Windows server, our ShaunERP server, where we opened IIS, Internet Information Server. So here, if you see that, so there are server certificates. We purchased a server certificate for ShaunERP and we installed the server certificate from a company called Global Sign. So the certificate is installed for the server. Okay. For general, this is our certificate. Now, the sites, here you see ShaunERP home. There are multiple sites you see, right? The ShaunERP home is our home website. That is our main website. ShaunERP.com. Okay. HTTPS ShaunERP.com. So now if you see this here, this is your certificate, SSL certificate. Okay. If you see that, you can see your certificate details here. So likewise, you need to verify any website is secured and what certificate is installed. So now, how this is configured in the server? In the IIS, if you right click the site and see the bindings, edit bindings, where you see HTTP is ShaunERP.com, which is serves 80 port. The HTTPS is ShaunERP.com 443. So the 443 port is configured. Okay. So likewise, all the subdomains is binded with port 443. HTTPS is configured. Okay. So if you go to the root folder in the server, there will be inetpub folder will be there. In the inetpub folder, this is inetpub is a default folder for IIS. If you are running IIS in the web server, it will have inetpub folder in C:, where you need to open that and you will have www root. Here you see these all are the folders we created, right? So you see that here the site names is here, the folder names is here. So the ShaunERP home is our main website. So here ShaunERP home, if you click that, you need to put all your ShaunERP website, main website folders, files here to publish. Likewise, if you publish API, if you publish CRM, so there is a respective folder we have mapped here. So we need to publish the respective application here. So right now we have put one sample file, HTML file only. Okay. So now what we have configured, all the HTTPS file I am just sharing you. So now our environment is ready. Okay. So now what we are going to do, I have created a new project. Yesterday I demonstrated, right? I have created 4 projects, right? In one solution. Okay. So now I have one solution which having 4 projects. Here the CRM is currently mapped here. Okay. The CRM is mapped here. So if you run, CRM will run. I'm just running this project. See, I have created decently, neatly created folder structures. I created pages for CRM module. I created some pages for CRM module. So if you see dashboard, it is there. You see the lead. If you see the lead, so there is a lead page created where all the lead related fields created here. If you click prospect, the prospect screen is created with the fields. If you see contact screen is created with all the fields. If you see opportunity is created. Customer, task, meeting. So it is neatly created. So we are going to use the same structure for all the forms in our entire project form. So I have done this yesterday. Lead, prospect, contact, opportunity, customer, task, meeting. Now, I have decently configured ShaunERP with some fonts. So this will be our font for now. So all elements are configured properly. So for future development, it is set ready. So I have created some sidebars also here for having more functionalities here. And there is a button for full maximize. So there is logout the section, profile section. So everything is set ready. So now what I did for that, I purchased some premium template for ShaunERP. Okay. I have purchased some template for ShaunERP. You guys know Envato market, right? Is my screen is shareable? Are you seeing my screen? No.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, now I am sharing my screen. So there is theme forest. You guys please note it down. So there are plenty of themes available here, resources. So where you can find resources and download it here. Okay. So I have identified some good themes yesterday, and this theme W3 CRM Bootstrap Admin Dashboard, I purchased this theme. Okay, for some cost. So this theme is having some decent designs. So I incorporated the design. So here, this is the project. I'm just showcasing you. So this is the template. It's a plain bootstrap HTML template. So we have already worked on admin LTE template, right? The admin LTE template is a free template. So it is a standard free template. So now we purchase some premium template, paid template. So where I have employees screen. So there are some functionality, built-in functionalities there here. Okay. I have core HR screen where some functionalities are there. Some pre-built templates are there. Attendance something, calendar, list, add employee. So likewise, many functionalities are pre-built there. So we just need to integrate the theme with relevant layout in our pages whenever required. So there is a finance page, there is a task page. So different type of layouts, we can use it. Okay. So you guys can explore this. I will share this to you. So hope you see this, how this template is working, right? So now what happened? I downloaded this template, then I paste the folder inside the CRM project. Inside the CRM project, shared, sorry, www root. So there is a www root, right? So in the CRM folder, in the www root, I just copied the XHTML folder. This XHTML folder is a theme which I purchased, premium template. The template source code is there. Okay. So here I have taken one page, plain page. If you go to the bottom, there is a pages where there is a empty page. So the empty page, I just taken the empty page because it is having plain, the center section is plain. So I integrated the plain empty page section in our layout.html. The shared file, right? So you see this layout.html, I just integrated that properly, mapped all the libraries properly for this, cleared all unwanted elements there. And I added proper left menus only. See, if you see that whatever you are seeing here. So you see the menu here, right? Dashboard, lead, prospect, contact, customer, meeting. And the center section will have the render body. I already explained to you about this, right? The render body, right? So now what we did, we created separate pages for lead. So in the lead, we just created the forms. So similarly, we created meeting, we created index.html is a dashboard, customer CHTML, contact CHTML, task CHTML. So everything is created. So now if you build and run, it is properly running. So now the basic setup is ready for our project. So you see how gradually we are building this project. This is the day 5, right? So from the day 1, I am explaining you how to install Visual Studio, what are the Razorpay pages, what is API, what is admin LTE template, what is Bootstrap, how to integrate the template. So now we again configured everything in 4 different projects and we have set everything ready. So now this is you understood what it is. Now what I am going to give you guys a task from today onwards. Okay. So now if you see, there is a core project, right? The core project, I have created classes for all modules for now. So I have basic entity class. The basic entity class is having ID, created date, updated date, created by, modified by, status. So these all are the basic fields which will be inherited by all the classes. Whenever a class instance is created, we are using this base entity inherited. So you guys should know what is inheritance, right, in the class. So if you see the CRM class in the core module, where we created lead inherited by base entity. So the lead is by default have lead owner, first name, last name, title, company, phone, mobile, email, second email, something fields, right? So similarly, it is having prospect. It is inherited base entry. That means the basic entity fields will be also created internally. So it will not visible front end. It will be stored back end when saving record. Okay. So now what I did, I created form. For example, this is lead, right? I created form in CRM folder where the lead page, I only use the fields mentioned here. So the lead, whatever fields you are seeing, lead owner, first name, last name, title, company, right? So I just created the fields here in the form. See the lead owner, first name, last name. So whatever fields we created in the class, we need to create a form here. So likewise, I created, what is the next class? Prospect. So if you see prospect, the fields in the prospect table, company name, first name, last name, email, phone number is created in. So likewise, I created CRM pages. Now I am going to assign finance, HRMS, projects, users. There are 4 classes I created. In the 4 classes, there are fields company master, HRMS master, projects master, users master. So here, if you go to finance, it is having many classes. So whatever classes you are seeing here, how many classes you are seeing here, you need to create that much of forms, that much of pages. So if you see HRMS, you see whatever classes you are seeing, you need to create that much of pages. Likewise, projects, likewise, users. You see that, right? Now, there are finance, HRMS, projects, users. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now, I am going to assign 4 people as a lead for these 4 modules. Others will join with them, and as a team, you guys need to share and complete the pages and send to me. Okay, this is the task I'm giving. So, Shruti is one lead, and Yashavi Zade is one lead, and Vaibhav will be one lead, and Swapnali will be one lead for now. So, who is going to take which module? Just let me know. So, I will assign you so that you can, I will split the team along to you so that you can work as a team and deliver this to me. Swapnali will take users module. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yashavi will take projects module.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Shruti will take finance module.
Yes, sir.
Vaibhav will take HRMS module.
Okay, sir.
So this, you are going to be a coordinator. Why I nominated you? Because you guys all already did some sample works and sent to me. So that's the reason I am assigned to you. So others, why I am not assigned? You guys are still not done any projects and share to me. Gradually, if you guys doing work, I will identify and I will give you more responsibilities. Okay. So now, how many people are here? Padmini, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So can you
16.
note it? Yeah. Can you note it down? Swapnali is doing which module?
Users.
Users. Please note it down, Padmini. And Yashavi Zade is going to create which module?
Projects.
Okay. Vaibhav?
HRM.
Okay. And Shruti?
Finance module.
Okay. Now, Padmini, you have one more friend for the testing, right? She is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Harshada is there.
Who's that? QA? Can you ask
Harshada.
her to speak? Arshada, can you speak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Arshada and Padmini. So you need to overall coordinate with all these 4 projects, and you need to create a checklist for testing. How the validations will be there, what kind of fields it can be used. Is it a checklist? It is a drop down, or it is a number field, or it is a select option. So you need to create checklist for all these projects. Okay, Padmini and Arshada. Is there any data analyst joined in this team? Padmini?
Yes, sir. There were 2 people who said we want to do as a data analyst.
No. Is there in
But
the
I
team?
don't remember.
Is the people in the team in the meeting now? Is there any
I
data
can't
analyst
see.
person joined here in this meeting? Okay. Now I want, who's that?
Nilesh, sir.
Nilesh, you are data analyst, right? We offered
Yes,
a
sir.
data
I have done.
analyst, right?
Yeah, sir. I have done a data analyst course. In that, I have learned Python, Power BI, and SQL.
Fine, fine. So now you are also analyze these modules and you help them to do business logics for these projects.
Yes, sir. I will try, sir.
Yeah. So Nilesh, right?
Yes, sir.
Nilesh. So Padmini, note. So you guys, Padmini and Arshada, Nilesh, you guys need to work as a team, and Nilesh, Padmini and Arshada need to identify what is the functionalities, what kind of data inputs needed to be given, how it is stored. So you are doing business logics, business understandings about this project. Okay. Apart from that, I wanted to associate the rest of the people with relevant teams. Adi, AADI. Adi, can you spell your name? What is your name?
Adinath, sir.
Adinath. Adinath, Padmini, you are noting it, right? Whatever names I am saying, the project, are you noting it down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Adinath, which module you are going to work, or which project you are willing to work on the 4 modules we discussed?
Anyone, sir? I don't.
Anyone. So you associate with Vaibhav.
Okay.
Vaibhav, you note it down. You need to coordinate with Adinath.
Okay, sir. I'll note it.
Okay. Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You need to coordinate with Swapnali.
Right, sir.
Swapnali, note it down.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is next? Nilesh already given. Pavan Chaudhary. Pavan
Yes, sir.
Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
You need to coordinate with Shruti.
Yes, sir.
Shruti, note it down.
Yes, sir.
Pooja Kolkar. Pooja,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you need to coordinate with Yashavi Sade.
Okay, sir.
Yashavi, please note it down. You need to work with her.
Yes, sir. Noted.
Okay. And what else? Yeah, Pavan Chaudhary mentioned, right?
Hello.
Pavan
Yes.
Chaudhary. Pavan Chaudhary map to project, right?
Yes, sir. With Shruti.
Pratiksha, you have a separate task from
पेमेंट
me.
क्या है?
Hello, Pratiksha,
Yes, sir.
you have separate task from me. So you need to work on the main website which you created. I have some tasks for you. Post this
Yes, sir.
call,
हाँ,
please
मालूम है
connect me.
मुझे.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
अच्छा.
Prithviraj,
मैं मंडे से ज्वाइन कर सकती हूँ क्या?
Yes, sir.
Prithviraj will work with
नहीं, 1 तारीख तो सैटरडे को आ रही है.
who is
मंडे को
speaking?
हाँ.
Who is speaking? I don't know Hindi. Okay. Okay. Whom do I talking? Prithviraj, right? Prithviraj, you
कोथरूड में
work
क्या?
with Prithviraj, you work with Shruti on finance module.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, पता है.
Who's speaking? Pooja, please mute yourself. Okay. Pooja Patil,
Yes, sir.
Pooja Patil has to associate with Vaibhav.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Who else? Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can associate with Yashavi.
Okay, sir.
So is everyone assigned task in this meeting?
Yes, sir.
All the 16, all
Yes,
the
sir.
15 people assigned task, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to tell you the shortcut how you going to achieve this. I am again sharing this. So now please listen. I will share this source code in the group after this. Okay. So what I am going to do, I am going to do file, new project, ASP.NET Core Razorpay app. Okay, next. I am just giving finance, FINANCE. I have a folder called Alpha because this is our Alpha version. So now I created finance module here. Okay. See, I am giving very precious information to you guys. This is very secret documents, source files. So do not share anyone. I am investing many time, energy, money on this. I am trusting you guys as my team. So this should not be leaked. This is a property of Shaun Infomedia.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So Is there any build errors there? I'm just cross checking that. Okay, now what else I need to do? I need to create 3 more modules, right? Second. So now we created finance, right? Now we need to create HRMS. New project. HRMS. What happened? Tom. Add to solution. Next projects, right? Next users. So now we have a solution for all the 5 modules, right? I am just giving you the simple tricks. Now, for example, I'm just showing it for HRMS. So I need to change here for HRMS to run. So this is a plain project, right? Now HRM is running. So now what I need to do, very simple. I just need to go CRM. I'm just going to pages. I am just going to shared. I am just opening layout.chtml. I copy the file shared.layout.chtml where I am coming in the HRMS where there is no XHTML folder there. So first I just go to the share. I open the layout.chtml. I remove this. I paste this. So likewise, I go to projects, pages, chat, layout.html. I copy, paste, I delete, I just, like I go to users, pages, chat, layout.html. I deleted the old one, added the new. So now what I need to do, I need to paste XHTML folder in all the sections. So now alpha is a solution folder where CRM, where www root, where XHTML folder is there. Is there? It is a HTML files are there. So I just copy these. I am coming back. I am coming to finance www root where I am pasting it. Copy. Copy. Finance www root paste. Actually, it is not required for all the files to be copied here. We just need the relevant files only. It will increase the file size of the project. So you keep the XHTML only in CRM for reference. For the rest of the modules, you guys no need to copy the entire folder, all the sample files. We just need to keep some needed CSS files, needed JavaScript files. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So now we copied in only this finance. So where we can, what we can do, we can just see that what is the files used here. So the files used here, simply you can find XHTML. So we can leave vendor folder, we can leave CSS folder, vendor CSS, images, JS. So what I do in this particular XHTML module, not CRM, in the HRMS, okay. The HRMS, where we put in finance, where we copied the file, where we put it in finance. Okay. So now we change it in finance here. So here in this folder, maybe we can delete all these files which is not required. So what we decided, we need to keep JS, we need to keep vendor, images. Okay, let us keep this files then. It takes some time. Okay, are you guys motivated? Are you guys interested? Is that you guys are interested now how we are progressing?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
sir.
You will learn many things in the coming days.
Hello,
Sir, I
sir.
have one suggestion.
Yes.
Actually, sir, I want to ask that why we are not using GitHub for, as a repository.
I am planning to give a repository to you guys. I am working on it. I will do that in next 2-3 days.
Okay, sir. No issues. And one more thing, sir, for, task assignment, I was thinking that we can use Jira so that we can conduct, weekly sprints and all
We
that.
are we are developing our own product.
Okay, I got it.
So what we are assigned, what we are developing today is there is the projects, right?
Yes,
Correct,
sir.
sir.
So you complete the projects module this week. From next week onwards, we will create tasks in projects module.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I
Yes.
got it.
You got it right? From next Monday onwards, we should be in a position to enter all the tasks managed in our own application.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
We are developing.
Yeah. Also, I am planning to develop a Jira kind of environment. I am going to create some own repository server,
Okay, sir.
SPN server. I am checking the possibilities.
Right, sir. No issues.
It is taking too time. It is not responding. Okay. Where is Visual Studio? Didn't. Is it closed already? This SES is not required, I think. Yes. Okay, so let it be then. I'm just running that, checking it is working. While working with a team, please maintain dignity, speak people with respect. Okay, so we are having, one second. Hello? சொல்லுங்க மிஸ். வந்திருக்கானே. முடிஞ்சிருச்சா உடனே? நான் வரேனே, ஒரு 15 நிமிஷம் வெயிட் பண்ண சொல்றீங்களா? நான் ஒரு மீட்டிங்ல. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. Okay, so the finance, we changed the layout, right? It is not reflecting. Let's see. One second. Hello? Hello? சொல்லுங்க. சார், நான் ஒரு மீட்டிங்ல இருக்கேன். அரை மணி நேரம் கழிச்சு கூப்பிடுறீங்களா? So what is wrong? The finance. Pages shared. I think the page is layout not copied. Okay. Now what I am doing, I'm just copying that. I'm putting it in finance layer. So now just listen what I am doing. In the finance, we have many classes, right? So where you can see it in core. I'm just clicking the finance. So there is a base entity. So first class is company master, right? So you see what I am doing, you just see. Just listen very carefully. In the page, I am just clicking in the page. I am right clicking in the finance module. Likewise, you need to work on your respective modules. Add razor page. Razor page empty. So before that, you can just copy this name. Maybe the unique name is required. Add razor page empty. Add. So what you need to give? That file name, add. A new file is being created. So now, what you can do, you can take any one of the existing page in CRM module. For example, I am checking the lead or what is the very lowest fields which we have. Anything or contact. It is a small form. I just copy the text from here. The content body start, right? So I'm just copying it here. Because the top 3 lines, you need to keep that. I think it is having big fields. So what customer may be small. I'm just copying from small form, which is already be created. I just copied, okay? Leave that first 3 line. So now we are going to create a company master file. So where we have the top 4 lines, you just need to keep this. You need to keep this. Now I am opening ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT, I am using it. I am using the paid version of ChatGPT. So you guys may be using free, or you guys using DeepSeek or any AI tool. Now what I am giving, please replace the form elements with the given class fields for a new form. What is our new form? Company master, right? Also change the titles, labels wherever needed for company master. This is called prompt engineering. Okay. Now, what I am given the source code of some of the form. I am asking ChatGPT to remove all the fields, and I am just asking take the inputs from class file and replace the fields and generate a new form. So now what I need to do, I need to open the finance. I'm just copying the class of company master. So I am just giving in ChatGPT. So what I am given, please replace the form elements. Please delete all form elements and replace the form elements with the given class fields for a new form company master. Also change the titles, labels whenever needed for company master. So I am giving instructions, use this as a template, remove all the forms in there and create a new form for company master. The fields you can take reference in this. So I'm just giving it ChatGPT. The ChatGPT will create the form for us. It will create faster than we create manually. So it is done. Now I am copying this code and I am putting it in company master. Sometimes ChatGPT will do false programming. You need to manually check that. Now, what I need to do in the finance master, in the shared file, in the layout, I need to delete all the left labels which we created for CRM, and I'm just keeping only dashboard, and the second one is company master, right? So what is the name company master? Here it should be company master without spacing. Now I am building so while working with team, work as a team, no ego, no sentiments, no emotions. Respect their privacy. So now the finance module is running, right? Company master. The company master is created simply, right? So with the help of artificial intelligence, we can create codings, we can integrate it faster. Okay. So likewise, I just copy the index.html here from CRM and paste it here. Okay. So now I hope you guys can do from this. So I demonstrated for finance. So you guys keep this. Already I created modules for everything. So try to complete all the forms and send me back today evening so that we complete the task, the first task today. I'm just closing this session. I'm just I will send the zip file in the group. So you guys start working on it. And any doubt, you can call me anytime. And for Pratiksha, I will call you around 12 o'clock, 12:15, I will call you around, or you can call me back.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you guys. Start working on this project and send me the files today evening. See you.